Oh, welcome back. So here you can see we have left these 4 point, I guess, the internal links and the external links. So let me show you what are the internal and external links of a blog. So let's say we just search this best vegan brownies. So here you can see we have top in the top 10 search results, these websites are ranking. So let me just open this. You can open any one. The point in here is to show you guys the internal and external links of of a blog, and how you can create them, and what kind of links you need to add in an article. So here you can see we have the absolute best vegan brownies. So this is the article is about this. Here you can see this is, I guess, just open this link, ultimate chocolate chip cookies. So yeah, this is the internal links which land on the website itself. So when a link land on its own website, it is count as an internal link. So Google suggests a lot of Google suggests that if you build a lot of a lot of internal links, you will eventually have a chance to get ranking on Google. So this is one of the internal link, I guess. There are a lots. What is table? Oh, sorry, this is the table of content. And if you just move, so here we have another link which is Dutch processed cocoa powder. Why this recipe works. So she also described, I guess, the blog is running by her. So she has also described why this recipe is. So because it is just, so yeah, this takes a while to open. So here we can see a lot of links. So all you need is to open up these all links and see what kind of links uh bloggers do add in the article. So you have to add relevant links on the blog. So if you're writing an article on best vegan brownies, you have to add some of the relevant articles that you think would be helpful for users. And Google also likes, because if somebody's searching for best vegan brownies, they might also want to know vegan chocolate chip cookies. They might also want to, search for different Dutch process, natural cocoa powder substitutes. So these are the relevancy that shows a user that, you might be interested in this or you might be interested in that. So this is actually the relevancy, and these are the internal links. Also, this site has a lot of, let me just close these tabs because these are taking a lot of time to open. But here we have another link, banana bread. So this is also an internal link, because here you can see the site itself is putting the internal link. So the more you add internal links, it enhance your article, of course, and it enhance your user experience. So first step is also, she's also in actually she is making this vegan brownies. So moving ahead, let me just find the external links, which which comes or from the another blog. I hope I just found it here. So yeah, here you can see Amazon.to. She also is, doing affiliate marketing. This is known as, affiliate link. When a user buy from this link, she will eventually get some of the commission. And this is the external link, I would say, which is land on the other website. So scrolling down here you can see again. So what we saw that, internal links, you have to also find the, what are the affiliate sponsored links. So this is count as an sponsored or, affiliate link that she has used. The broken links are useful and forced. So I just also explained, the forced backlinks in the last video, that uh how what are those, when you add links to the blog. These are actually the links, which are not useful for the users, but they are just added on the article and land somewhere. So those are actually known as the useless links, I would say. So moving ahead, here we have another point, which is keyword in title. So when you are let's say when you are targeting a keyword which is like vegan, the episode vegan, best vegan brownies. So you have to add this, keyword in the article. So he just added this, keyword in the article, the absolute best vegan article, best vegan brownies. So there are a lot of blogs which, let's just see the, so here you can see the headings: best ever vegan brownies recipes, best vegan brownies back home, and again the absolute best vegan brownies. We have just searched this thing: best vegan brownies, fudge vegan brownies. Moving ahead, vegan brownies recipe, fudgy vegan brownies, and here again the fudgy vegan brownies, fudgy crinkle top vegan brownies with aquafaba. So these are the headings. So if you add the title, if you add the keyword, sorry, if you add this keyword in the title of the article, you will eventually following, Google rules, and which is very important. So keyword in meta description. Let me show you what meta description is. So when you search something on Google, here you can see we have two line, content here. So this is actually known as the meta description, which is important, which is not actually the Google ranking factor, but we do follow this rule because Google suggests us to, write amazing and catchy meta description which, which attracts a user on your website. So this really is the best American brownies recipe: fuzzy gooey, perfect squares, or chocolate that can easily and are easily to make. So here you can see this website is also added. This bake off is for you. We tasted 9 popular vegan brownies in search of the best. So if a user comes up and, also read these two lines, and, which, and if you write these lines very catchy. So I eventually, you know, click on the website and read article about how I can make. So this is actually the meta description which you need to, which you need to know how you can write catchy meta descriptions. Is the title click worthy? So again, moving forward with the title thing. So you have to write a title which would be like click worthy. When somebody comes, let's say I just search this Curie best vegan brownies. So the title should be catchy enough so that I just click on this best ever vegan brownie recipe. This title is good. Best vegan brownies back off. She also added two words: the absolute best vegan brownies, fudgy vegan brownies, award winning. So you have to have catchy a catchy title, which you can also use, ChatGPT or any AI, headline analyzer tool to generate these type of headings for your article. So this is important because is the title click worthy? If somebody if the users thinks that the title is click worthy, he or she might able to click on the article based on this. So moving ahead, we have I guess four more factors which are like main keywords as an H1. So let me show you. Let's say this is the article, and just what you need is you need to just click on this and you need to click on inspect. It shows you the structure of this article. What is the structure? Is this is H1 heading? So you have to make sure that first title should be your H1 heading, and then when you just write the whole article, you just give each and everything a structure. Click on this icon. So here you can see H1 entry title is the absolute best vegan brownies. So yes, this article is well structured, and the first heading is H1 heading, which is very important to understand. So moving ahead, just scroll down and see the structure of each and every heading. You can just close that tab, and here you can also see this heading structure, which would be like H1 or maybe H2. So just click on this again, and from here you can see that what this H heading number is. So this is, I would say, this is heading to H2. It means that this article is well structured. So this is important when you're writing the whole article. Moving ahead toward the keyword variation as H2 and other subheadings. So this is the second thing which is important when you're writing. And just close this tab. Here you can see why this recipe works. And so these are actually the H2 headings which should be including your H1 heading, like the absolute best vegan brownies. You can also add in the H2 heading, you can add your main keyword in the H2 heading or H3 heading. So this is actually the rule which is important. Keywords in URL, check keyword density and make sure you are not overdoing it. So I guess that's pretty much it for this. See you in the next one.